Here are the top 5 coolest gadgets you need in 2025, brought to you by Loomer. At number 5, smart glasses that display maps right in front of your eyes. No more looking down at your phone. A revolutionary navigation gadget for riders. Whether you're on a motorcycle, bike, scooter or ATV, these glasses make every ride safer and smarter. See your navigation map directly in your line of sight. No distractions, no phone hassles. Plus, they support prescription lenses, so anyone can ride with crystal clear vision and next-level convenience. At 4, a mini projector that fits in your pocket but can create a 100-inch screen anywhere. Meet the Bakey VP2 mini projector. Ultra-compact, lightweight and fits right in your hand. It supports wired screen mirroring for iPhones, plays media through USB and projects up to 100 inches. But with only 320 pixels 180 resolution, the image looks pixelated and Android mirroring is unreliable. It's a fun, budget-friendly gadget for quick use or a kid's room. Just don't expect true home theater quality. At number 3, AI earbuds that instantly translate 138 languages in real time. Meet the Q-Mitry Language Translator Earbuds, your ultimate smart travel essential. Enjoy instant crystal clear translations, seamless two-way communication, and premium sound quality anywhere you go. Smart, fast and stylish, with Q-Mitry, travel just got easier. At number 2, a smart mug that keeps your coffee at the perfect temperature for hours. Meet the Ember Smart Mug 2, your personal coffee companion for busy mornings. Inside the box, you get the mug itself, a charging coaster, and a quick start guide. Simple, clean, and premium. The design is sleek and minimal, available in multiple colors with a smooth matte finish that feels great in your hands. The subtle LED light at the base adds a modern touch. It even changes color based on your settings or temperature. Made from durable stainless steel with a ceramic coating, it's built to handle daily use without losing that premium look. Setup is quick. Just pair it with the Ember app, choose your preferred temperature, and you're ready to go. The Ember app lets you set custom heat levels, name your mug, and even track how long your drink stays hot. The built-in battery lasts up to 80 minutes per charge, or all day when it's sitting on the coaster. Cleaning is easy, just hand wash, and it's ready for your next perfect cup. When you can't make it to the kitchen to reheat your coffee, the Ember Smart Mug 2 takes care of it for you. Smart, stylish, and designed for coffee lovers. And at number 1, a robot vacuum that also mops and even empties itself. House cleaning got solved. The Ecovacs Debut X8 Pro Omni is a next-generation robot vacuum designed for effortless cleaning. It packs a powerful 18,000 PA suction that removes dust, dirt, and pet hair from any surface. Its Osmo Roller Mop cleans and washes itself, while the Omni Dock automatically empties dust and dries the mop pads with hot air. The Zero Tangle Brush prevents hair jams, and 3D edge sensors deliver perfect corner cleaning. With smart AI navigation and voice control through Yaiko GPT, this robot handles everything for you. The X8 Pro Omni truly makes home cleaning smarter and simpler than ever. Which of these gadgets blew your mind? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to Loomer for more awesome tech every week.